What up, YouTube? So, to make this video, I'm bored, so I'm just gonna make part 2 of the iPod video, how to fix your broken iPod, part 2. The first video actually is getting kind of a lot of views, and I really didn't put a whole lot into making that video. I was kind of messing around, but I guess a whole lot of people have iPods that they're trying to fix, so they're watching the video. You want to fix your iPod, do what I said to do in the first part, how to fix your broken iPod, part 1. A lot of people said that it worked. A lot of people, about half and half, out of about, however many people tried it, half of it worked for them, half of it didn't work. People that it didn't work got mad. They returned to the video, left comments. They were mad. I tried, it didn't work. They, said all type of stupid stuff. The people that it did work for were very appreciative. They left good comments, and I really didn't care either way. But it was cool to see that something that I just stumbled across on my own was able to help at least some people, and actually helped quite a few people. But I'm past that whole iPod thing.